In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Notion. If you ever feel like the text or layout in Notion is a little too small to read comfortably, the good news is that zooming in is quick and easy. This can be especially helpful if you're working on a large document, reviewing notes for a long period of time, or simply want a closer view of your page content without changing the actual formatting of the page itself. To begin, open Notion and go to the page where you want to adjust the zoom level. Make sure you're on the specific page you want to view more closely. Once that page is open, click anywhere inside the page so that Notion is the active window. This is important because your keyboard shortcut will only work properly when Notion is selected and ready to receive input. Once you've clicked into the page, you can use a simple keyboard shortcut to zoom in. If you're using a Windows computer, press Control and the plus key at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command and the plus key together. As soon as you do that, the Notion interface will become larger, making the text and page elements easier to see. If you want a closer view, you can repeat that same shortcut again. Each press will usually increase the zoom level a little more, so you can adjust it until it feels comfortable for your screen size and viewing preference. This is a great option if you're presenting something, reading detailed content, or just reducing eye strain while working. If you ever need to reverse the change, zooming out is just as simple. On Windows, press Control and the minus key. On a Mac, press Command and the minus key. This will reduce the zoom level and make the page appear smaller again. You can press it multiple times if needed until the display returns to a size that works best for you. One helpful tip is to make sure you're using the correct plus and minus keys on your keyboard, since laptop layouts can vary slightly. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work right away, click back into the Notion page and try again. And that's all there is to it. By using these quick keyboard shortcuts, you can easily zoom in or out in Notion whenever you need a better view of your workspace.